Rub the lotion on your skin, throw the lotion in the basket. I will show you how I beat this ratchet Debbie with this hatchet. Show you how I beat this ratchet Debbie with this hatchet. Only do it to remove her from a plastic, and that's it. I smack earth, wind, fire, and flames out of these flames. Go from pretty to the range, you get hit like a train. Shatter your frame, believes a stain, coppers covered in brains. Calling the whole crew to help me fucking rid your remains. Buffalo Dill, rising serpent of Bill, the big kid, a little young. Can barely fucking lift up your gun. This nine sparks bright like the fucking stars of the sun. Every war I've been in, I've begun and done one.
On the spot airport. Oh my God.
ぎはでもろい彼氏は物が足りないいつも落ち着かない彼氏は物が足りない長続きしない君は骨がない怖い
Rub the lotion on your skin, throw the lotion in the basket. I will show you how I beat this ratchet Debbie with this hatchet. Show you how I beat this ratchet Debbie with this hatchet. Only do it to remove her from a plastic, and that's it. Smack earth, wind, fire, and flames out of these lames. Go from pretty to the range, you get hit like a train. Shot of your frame, beliefs are stained, coppers covered in brains. Calling the whole crew to help me fucking rid your remains. Buffalo Dill, rising syrup of the field. The big kid, a little dung. Can barely fucking lift up your gun. This nine sparks bright like the fucking stars of the sun. Every war I've been in, I've begun and done one.
I don't like music, I love it, live it, I am it, and it is me, so I examine it. Expression of the free, and should be free from contaminants, it could be so nice, but your people aren't having it. I'm laughing at the evil while they're spreading it, and when this hits it, it's beheading it. Give and tip, sweat wickedness, presence is ridiculous, that's why I'm kicking this. Full fist lyricist, true school scholarship, musical apprenticeship. There's a life to live, but a lot about it must quit. We just sit and trust it, just because it can be seen doesn't mean we can discuss it. And if it's negative, intervene and disrupt it. See some sweet peace, I'll reach out and touch it. I'm happy that I'm living, I'll be happy ever after. This vegan is now grabbing me and leading me to rapture, revealing what I need to see in order to capture, captivate, master, start the next chapter. Study culture, trust nature to nurture, a labor of love, righteous observer. Approach tough times with the right mind, and you might find that they can't hurt ya. Motives and thoughts make ways and actions, always make yours born satisfaction. Thoughts form, which makes things happen, so make yours warm, and soon we'll be having amazing revelation, great expectation, fantastic occasions, a drastic improvement on current situation, and of course, a cause for celebration. I see it like this, life is a gift, love every minute, like every twist. It's incredible that we exist, some say nothing matters, but that's just myth. Timelines link, we're all in sync. Some are in crisis, others on the brink. Seconds and minutes can sometimes slip. Don't let this happen without a second think. Life is priceless, that's my thesis. You're listening to life shows, chilling with the pieces, places and faces, secrets. Dealing with the fear, disappears and releases. Keep this close, definitely don't take kindness for weakness or sweetness for hope. When it's hard to cope, remember this quote, nature's got you covered, that's all that she wrote. It is me, so I examine it. Expression of the free, and should be free from contaminants, it could be so nice, but your people aren't having it. I'm laughing at the evil while they're spreading it, and when this hits it, it's beheading it. Give and tip, sweat wickedness, presence is ridiculous, that's why I'm kicking this. Full fist lyricist, true school scholarship, musical apprenticeship. There's a life to live, but a lot about it must quit. We just sit and trust it, just because it can be seen doesn't mean we can discuss it. And if it's negative, intervene and disrupt it. See some sweet peace, I'll reach out and touch it. I'm happy that I'm living, I'll be happy ever after. This vegan is now grabbing me and leading me to rapture, revealing what I need to see in order to captivate, master, start the next chapter. Study culture, trust nature to nurture a labor of love, righteous observer. Approach tough times with the right mind, and you might find that they can't hurt ya. Motives and thoughts make ways and actions, always make yours born satisfaction. Thoughts form, which makes things happen, so make yours warm, and soon we'll be having amazing revelation, great expectation, fantastic occasions, a drastic improvement on common